Want longer battery life on your Android phone? Watch this quick guide. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down just a bit and tap on Battery. Look for Battery Saver or Power Saving mode and tap on it. Then turn on the toggle next to Use Battery Saver. Your phone will immediately start saving battery by reducing background activity. The default profile is Standard Battery Saving. This mode balances performance while extending battery life. Maximum mode restricts more features to save as much battery as possible. Tap on the settings icon next to Maximum Battery Saver. Here, you can enable or disable 5G network. You can add apps to the essential list as they will continue to run normally and receive notifications. Your changes will be applied instantly, and that's it.